Victoria. So I just got back from LA where I had a photo shoot with All Good Things TV, and I wanted to talk about a few of the pieces that I wore from Fashion Nova. So let's get into it. So first up, we have this baby blue crop top, and it also comes with a skirt. And this is this fuzzy material that is really snug and comfortable to the skin. And I really like this one because you can wear it to date night, or let's say you're at home chilling on your couch, you can just pop this on and feel really comfortable and cozy at home. Here we have this beautiful two-piece bikini. It's black and it has this rib material and this buckle in the front that is super cute, and it made me feel so sexy. It's comfortable, snug to the skin, supportive. And here we have this gorgeous two-piece coral bikini. I am in love with the color, how it fits on me, how it looks against my skin, and I just felt super sexy in it. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Fashion Nova haul. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Victoria Almeida and subscribe to the channel. Bye!